Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Surya Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson 8 function in QB64 question and answer. So let's start this video. Answer of the following. Question number first. What do you know about function in QB64? Answer. Functions in QB64 are predefined programs that take some data, perform a specific task and return a calculated value to a program. Means functions in QB64 are predefined programs that take some data, perform specific task and return a calculated value to a program. So this function in QB64 are pre-designed programs that take some data, perform task and return the value. Question number 2. Differentiate between user defined function and library functions. Differentiate between the user defined function and library function. Answer. The functions that are written and designed by the programmer to perform a specific task are known as user defined function. Means the functions that are written by programmer or developer to perform a specific task is called the user defined function. The functions that are grouped together and stored in QB64 library are known as built-in function. Means such type of function that are grouped together and stored in QB64 library, you can only click and use in your program. Such type of function is called the built-in function. Question number 3. What do you understand by the term string concatenation? String concatenation means when two strings are joined together to form one string. Means when two strings join together and form one string, it is called string concatenation. For example, Taj plus Mahal, when we concatenate two text, then find Taj Mahal. Means in simple way, string concatenation means joining two string and form one string. Example here, Taj one string, Mahal second string. Then you string concatenation, find one string, Taj Mahal. Question number 4. Explain the following strings functions. First, ASC function, second, sine function, third, ABS function, and fourth, SGN function. So, I'll discuss one by one. First, ASC function. It is a string function which is used to return a numeric value that is the ASCII code for the first character of the string. Means it provides the ASCII code of first character of the string. Then use ASC function. Second, sine function. It returns the sine value of any angle given in the radians. Sine function returns the sine value of any angle given in the radians. Like sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, like this. Third, ABS function. ABS function returns the absolute value of mathematical expression. Absolute value means ABS function given minus 64, then it return the absolute value means 64 only, not negative, only positive integer, only positive value through ABS function. Fourth, SGN function. It assigns the sign of a number. SGN function is assign the sign of the number. If A equal less than 0, then return -1. Second case, if a equal to 0, return 0. Third case, if a is greater than 0, return 1. So this is the assign function to return assign sign of a number. Question number 5. Explain the term ASCII codes. ASCII stand for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Means A for American, S for standard, C for code, I for information, and second I for interchange. There are 256 ASCII characters through which a user can communicate with a computer. Means when you write A, then computer convert A into a ASCII code and understand what is written by the users. So there are 256 ASCII characters through which a user can communicate with a computer. Differentiate the following. First, left function and right function. Left function, it is a string function that extracts the specific number of characters beginning from the leftmost character of the string. Means this extracts the leftmost character of the string, and right function is a string function that extracts the specified number of characters beginning from the rightmost character of the string. Means through the right extract the character. Next one, the LCase and UCase function. LCase, the LCase function convert all character in a string to lowercase. LCase function convert all character in a string to lowercase, and UCase function, it is a string function which converts all the character in a string to uppercase. Means when you are convert a lowercase, then you can use LCase function, and when you want to convert string uppercase, then you can use case function. Third, mid function and len function. Mid function, this string function replaces some portion of one string with another string, या return to specific number of character from the string. Means a middle portion of the string. Len function, it is a string function that returns the number of character present in a string. Len function returns the number of characters. Suppose that you write the name of Raj. When you use a len function, then return the character 3, because Raj, R-A-J, 3 characters. So len function, when you use len function, return the number of characters. How many characters used in this string? Use len function. Question number 4. CHR function and ASCII function. CHR double function is used to convert a numeric value, means ASCII code, to the character it represents. Numeric value means character to ASCII code. And ASCII function is a string function which is used to return numeric value, that is ASCII code. Means here convert ASCII code, numeric value to ASCII code, and ASCII function return ASCII code to character string. Hopefully our students understands all question answer of this lesson. If you face any problem, call me by number 8840156170. Thank you.